Me, God of GTA. Personally, yes. Okay, I just barely started with all the stuff that I needed. Keep in mind, this is only gonna be me taking apart my Xbox. Yeah, basic requirements to get all this stuff going. Um, yeah, so I'm only gonna be using one hand, which is obviously meant for pros. Yep, so there might be a little difficulty in here. Guys, keep in mind, LEDs are scattered around. This is not pro based, so my shit's messed up, guys. So to do all these type of things, you need the front, the back, and basically side area. And no, I'm not an expert by putting all these apart. I do have experience, so if I bust my Xbox, it's my fault. If I don't bust it, congratulations, you guys know how to take apart an Xbox. So the main part of this is basic. From here, you're gonna see a wire right here, the white area. Go up and then push so you don't bust it. So from there you can take it apart. Repeat this action and go forward along with it. So basically the problem was my Xbox was not letting me do what I want, and yeah, guys, this is what an Xbox looks like inside. So we'll take a bright side in this, because I'm only doing this once every time my Xbox messes up. Probably will mess up more times afterwards. Thinking about getting messed up an Xbox One X, but okay. So about next year, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on 100 subscribers, big or small, doesn't matter. I'm gonna surprise you guys, literally. But 100 subscribers, and I'll be doing a giveaway. You never know, might be replacements for any of these areas. You might get a new console, you might get a new controller, a gift card, whichever it could be. It could be mailed to your address, mailed to your post office order, basically anything like that. So guys, like, subscribe, and please show this to your friends. Show my channel to your friends, family members, anyone at least. So guys, make me go viral. I'll be on your radar if you challenge me. GTA God out. No, I'm just kidding. God of GTA out.